The end product C in the following sequence of reactions is, what is the first reactant? Acetic acid. Acetic acid treated with calcium acetate, calcium carbonate. Let us see what happens when CH3COOH is treated with calcium carbonate. So what will I get? Calcium acetate I will get. CH3 C double bond O, CH3 C double bond O, Ca. This is calcium acetate. Calcium acetate, what is there on the arrow? Heating, means dry distillation. It loses a molecule of calcium carbonate minus CaCO3. What is left? Ketone, CH3 C double bond O, CH3, means I will get propanone. This propanone is now treated with hydroxylamine. When aldehydes and ketones react with hydroxylamine, you will get oximes. So what will I get? CH3 C CH3 double bond NOH. When aldehydes and ketones are treated with hydroxylamine, you will get oxime. This is propanone, so you will get propanone oxime. This compound is propanone oxime. Let us see. So propanone oxime is the final product obtained here in the course of reaction.